I'm Dr. KG Matthew, a general laparoscopic and hernia surgery. I have been doing surgical practice for the last 35 years or more, practicing in different parts of the world, and very recently joined the Seventh-day Adventist Multispeciality Hospital at Bangalore. My expertise is all types of general surgery, which includes thyroid surgery, breast surgery, abdominal surgery, which includes gallbladder, appendix, pancreas, so on and so forth, and also cancer surgery in the abdomen, like colon cancers and stomach cancers, and hemorrhoids, piles, fistula, everything that is under the purview of general surgery. Apart from general surgical work, I specialize and I have a special expertise in hernia surgery, both open and laparoscopic hernia surgery. I have been practicing specialized hernia surgery for the last 15 years or more in Dubai, and at that place I was the head of the department of surgery and established my unit as a center of excellence in hernia surgery, recognized by the Asia Pacific Hernia Society in Singapore, probably the only such recognized center of excellence in the whole of the UAE at that time. That is what we hope to replicate here at the Seventh-day Adventist Multispeciality Hospital, Bangalore, to establish a general surgical unit and establish a center of excellence in hernia surgery. Why the center of excellence is required for hernia surgery? Because hernia surgeons are everywhere. Everyone is doing hernia surgery. But it has now been established that the results of the operation of hernia done by an experienced and interested hernia surgeon at a center of excellence in hernia surgery gives far better results. And hernia is not a simple thing. It can be quite complex, and the biggest bane of hernia surgery is the recurrence and the complications. All of this can be avoided, and with a complication or recurrence rate of less than 1 or 0.5% can be provided in the center of excellence of hernia surgery. So the main thing is for the patient who has a hernia to choose appropriately. There are plenty of excellent hernia centers in India, scattered throughout India. But however, you have to choose a place that provides specialized care in hernia. There are different types of hernias, and that we will come on further videos, and how it is repaired, what are the various techniques, what is laparoscopic surgery, what is a mesh, so on and so forth.